Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas, heading north on Las Vegas Boulevard, otherwise known as the Strip, but I think I'm a little too far south to be calling it the Strip. I just left the M Spa and Resort. Before that I was at the South Point Hotel and Casino. Obviously today I am focusing on local casinos, and my next one is the Silverton, so I'm heading over there right now. I'll bring you guys along. By the way, last time I was in Silverton, I got kicked out for recording, so I don't know how this is going to go, but we'll give it a shot anyway. We'll give it the old New York shot. Come along with me. Let's check it out, shall we? Also, as a bonus to this video, Silverton Casino has a Bass Pro Shops, and you guys know how much I like Bass Pro Shops. There's a video on the New York channel of the one in Atlantic City, which is a really huge one. I haven't been in this one. I've seen it, but I haven't actually gone into it. Doesn't look as big, but, well, it's just an added bonus to this video. The Silverton is a 300-room hotel and casino in Enterprise, Nevada, near the southern end of the Las Vegas Valley. It features a rustic lodge theme and a 65,000 square foot casino. It's owned and operated by Ed Rustic Jr. and is located 3 miles south of the Las Vegas Strip. Rustic purchased an 80-acre parcel in 1989 and originally planned to build an industrial warehouse on the site before deciding on a casino instead. In 1993, he partnered with Boomtown Incorporated to build a hotel and casino on 56 acres of the property. By the way, I had no idea how massive that Bass Pro Shops was in Silverton, so I made a separate video which is available here on the New York channel. You won't see it on this video. Yep, it's a water attraction in the desert. The Silverton Las Vegas Aquarium holds more than 117,000 gallons of water and is home to thousands of tropical fish. Looking to add a touch of wonder to your day? Look no further than the mermaid appearances at the Silverton Casino. Their enchanting and skilled mermaids will transport you to an underwater world of fantasy and magic. And for those of you who want to take their mermaid encounter to the next level, they offer an exclusive mermaid school experience where you can join the mermaids for an unforgettable swim in the aquarium, an experience you won't find anywhere else.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Here's the Sundance Grill. Specialties include country fried steak and eggs, prime rib with creamy horseradish, towering pancake stacks, and lots more. It's the best place to bring an empty stomach at breakfast, lunch, dinner, or late night. Here we have Shady Grove Lounge, kick back with some ice cold brews, small plates of great food, and game time action on 12 screens, or try mini bowling inside a 1950s Airstream trailer. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New Yawk channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New Yawk channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Don't forget, click on the thanks button, get a shout out on an upcoming video. Speaking of which, shout out to Andre Gernham, who left a generous super thanks on my last Atlantic City video, extensive tour of Harrah's Hotel and Casino. Thank you so much, Andre. I appreciate your support of the New Yawk channel. This is the Vale Pavilion, a wedding/party room. Woohoo brings you authentic Asian recipes and traditional favorites.
Pond 5.
A personal favorite of mine, Johnny Rockets, good food, good service, good value. Those are my words.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.